generously contributed time and effort by providing free Sunday ride of tricycle for 3 years in the city of Radal, demonstrating outstanding dedication and service of the community. In recognition of this invaluable contribution, we hereby present this certificate awarded this June 7, 2004, signed by Benito Blasi, our President of City of Radal Tricycle Driver Organization. This certificate is proudly presented to Nicodemo L. Banak. Sir, congratulations.